When you are using WinBeat, iBase or Insight, you often have tasks you wish to import into Organise. The Task Import button on the top toolbar will at this stage only be active if you are using one of the foregoing programs. Assuming you are, when you left-click on the Task Import button, the Task Import panel will appear, and when you click on the drop-down list, the external program you are using will be listed. The next box contains the database qualifier, the number of the database. When you left-click on the Download Sample button, it uses a template that Organise will have specially created for your company so that you can cut and paste information from your WinBeat XML file with the information of your renewals. We will now generate the template, which will look like this. We can then copy across the various columns of information needed to populate the template. It is essential to copy across the client code, however you decide what other columns are important to you. It is important to bring in the task owner column, the start date and the due date. Once that is done, you save it and bring it into the database. To summarise, we go to the CSV file that we generated in WinBeat, where we only copy across the columns of information we need into our template that will then look something like this. Please pay particular attention to the task kind column, which in this case has been brought across as private. This means only the task owner of each task will see the item. If you want everyone in the office to see one or more of the tasks, they must be changed to public. The bulk of our users maintain the same user identification for all their main programs. But if your group have used a different username in Organise, you will need to go through and update the task owner column with your Organise usernames. When you have completed editing the template, come back to Organise and click the Import Task button. It could take a minute or two to upload the files into Organise and set them up in the various client folders. When the import process has completed, go to your diary. This will bring up the task list. Then if you click on your Reminders button, you will see for every task a reminder has been automatically created using the start date from your spreadsheet. You are now ready to go through your reminders and appropriately edit the reminder dates, add files and notes for each to suit your workflow for the month ahead. As you can see, this process, which has taken a few minutes, will save you a great amount of time, especially when working with your renewals.